Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I say welcome. If you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. Keep liking, keep sharing, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. So guys, today we are making this simple, authentic coconut jollof rice. Use this method. You'll be watching now and guys, you thank me later. So guys, let's start cooking. So guys, for this jollof coconut, you can see now that the pot in the fire is hot. I'll now pour in my coconut oil. For this, you have to use coconut oil because what is coconut jollof rice without coconut oil? But if you don't have coconut oil, you can use any oil of choice. So allow the oil to get hot. Now I'm going to pour in our chopped onions, pour in our ginger and garlic paste. Then you stir very well. Allow it to saute very well. I can just feel the aroma of the coconut already. So when this is done, you have to now build up flavor in the oil before you continue. So in here are the seasonings. I have chicken seasoning, I have thyme, I have rosemary, I have curry, and I have the other one is mixed spice. So you can just use any seasoning of your choice. Then when that is done, I'll now add in my bay leaf. This is dry bay leaf. You can use the fresh bay leaf. So at this point now, I'll add in my tomato paste. So you allow it to cook very well until they are no longer together and you don't have that sour taste again. So just keep stirring so it doesn't get burnt. So guys, this is what we have now. So it's now time for us to add in our tomato mix. So in here I have ginger, garlic, tomatoes, onions, Shomgbo and chili pepper, Habanero pepper, thoroughly washed, blended and boiled. You can also roast yours if you want to roast yours. So now I'll just add it and let it cook a bit. The tomatoes have been cooking for like 5 to 6 minutes. You know it's already been cooked before, so you'll be cooking for so much. So at this point, I'll bring in our washed rice. I use salt and hot water to wash so you can take out some starch. So at this point, you have to combine the rice very well until every grain has some tomato paste on it. What we'll have, at this point, I'll pour in the meat stock. It's better you use any meat stock you have. You can use goat meat stock, you can use chicken stock, you can use fish stock. It goes very well with this. So now I'll just add in some salt. Add in some salt. And I'll combine everything. You just have to loosen up the rice. So when this is done, you bring in your creamy coconut milk. For jollof coconuts, I prefer to use my naturally made coconut milk, which is this. I have my freshly made coconut milk from this with just 2 coconuts. So I'll just pour in some now. Then I'll keep on pouring the water as it cooks. Let me just test for salt now because this is when you have to adjust all your seasoning. I'll just add some more salt. So at this point now, I'll cover the pot and let it start cooking. If this water is not enough to cook the rice, then I'll pour in some more coconut milk. So guys, after cooking for 25 minutes, I've come to check what we have. Let me just see if the rice is cooked. No, the rice isn't cooked. So what I'll do now is to add in some more coconut milk. So at this point now, I'll just use my foil paper to wrap the lid very well so that all the steam can trap. The trapping, then I'll now lower the heat and then let it start cooking gradually. So guys, I've come to check the rice again. Wow, this is what we have here. My people, if you have watched up to this moment and you haven't hit that subscribe button and you haven't followed me, please follow me. Hit the subscribe button, keep sharing, and then keep liking. So at this point now, you can see how the face of our rice is looking. It's looking so tantalizing. So the rice is cooked now. So what I'll just do is to add some runner beans and some onions. If you have spring onions, you can add. This is just for some coloring and some flavor. So I'll just combine everything like so. And I won't allow it to stay more than a second. I'll turn off the heat. And guys, our best jollof coconut rice is ready. You can use any rice of your choice to prepare this. I'm in Nigeria, so I use our Nigerian rice. You can use foreign rice, you can use basmati rice. For this, guys, the aroma in my kitchen is so amazing. I'll turn off the heat now and then we now serve. So my people, our jollof coconut rice is ready. Guys, bring your plates. So I'll be pairing this with some air fried chicken. You can use any protein of choice. Wow, I can't wait to start digging into this. You can also add some vegetables, or you can make some coleslaw or some salad. So guys, if you have watched up to this moment, what is that? What are you doing with my spoon? Come on, take your spoon away from there. See them, they're already coming to taste my food though. They're coming to taste my food already. So guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next. Bye bye.